Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Seek by Inaturalist nature identification app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Seek by Inaturalist is a nature identification app designed to help users instantly identify plants, animals, insects, fungi, and other organisms using your device's camera and AI-powered image recognition. Built on the massive Inaturalist database, the app compares your photo with millions of recorded species to suggest accurate matches. It's available on both iOS and Android and is designed to be kid-friendly, requiring no account creation for basic use. The app's main feature is real-time species identification. You simply point your camera at a plant or animal and Seek attempts to identify it on the spot. It also offers educational species info, achievement badges, and nature challenges that encourage outdoor exploration. The app works offline for taking photos, but identification requires an internet connection for the best accuracy. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple interface, fast identification, and the joy of learning about nearby wildlife. It's especially popular among students, hikers, families, and anyone curious about nature. The database is large and continuously improving, and the app's privacy-focused design is praised by parents and educators. However, there are some drawbacks. Identification accuracy can vary depending on lighting, distance, and species availability in the database. Rare species, young plants, or partially visible animals may not be recognized correctly. Some users also note that the app struggles in low connectivity areas or with organisms that look very similar. Because it relies on community-based data, results may be less reliable in regions with fewer observations. In summary, the Seek by Inaturalist app may be worth using if you want an easy, AI-powered way to identify wildlife, explore nature, and learn about biodiversity around you. However, if you need highly professional-level species identification or frequently explore remote areas with weak connectivity, it might not be sufficient on its own. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.